Cash is still king, but crypto is definitely becoming the prince. 3 ways crypto is getting closer to the convenience of cash, and 3 ways it still needs to improve. Did you get the memo? In the United States, cryptocurrency is legally defined as property, aka an asset, as opposed to fiat, aka cash. That's because cryptocurrency is not issued by a government or owned by a centralized institution. Because cryptocurrency is the holder's property, it can be owned, sold, traded, or transferred peer-to-peer. And in the last 10 years, the growing awareness of crypto and the growing number of ways to spend crypto in the U.S. are accelerating crypto's growth and solidifying its position as a cash alternative. Here's 3 examples of how, and 3 more examples of what could be better. Number 1, crypto has its own ATMs, debit cards, and wallets. You may have seen a Bitcoin ATM at a local gas station, liquor store, or bodega in your neighborhood over the last 5 years, but what you may not have known is that there are many financial tools on the market, from Ledger wallets, a physical USB that allows you to instantly and easily pull up and view your on-chain tokens, or a Coinbase card that automatically converts your tokens into US dollars for both purchases and withdrawals. There are dozens of ways to use crypto as quickly and as easily as you would use the money in your own bank account. Number 2. Crypto can be sent on peer-to-peer platforms using desktop and mobile applications called dApps. A dApp is a decentralized application, or in other words, an app built to be used on decentralized servers, and specifically a blockchain. With mobile and desktop apps like MetaMask and OKX, users can choose either a custodial, meaning they'll supervise and maintain, or non-custodial, the user supervises and maintains, wallet, or bridge to send and receive funds across the 1,000 plus blockchains in existence. Number 3, crypto has its own markets and exchanges. In the traditional stock market, industries are categorized and stocks and bonds are sold to represent the strength of a business and to represent the overall vitality of America's economy. In crypto, the market is comprised of hundreds of tokens that are categorized primarily as stable, utility, or meme, and are pumped with financial value based off of actual dollar value, market speculation, and usage as an asset of some sort. The rising and falling of values assigned to each token mimics the dynamics of the traditional stock market and provide a great metric for understanding crypto's usage, both domestically and internationally. 3 ways crypto can still improve. Number 1, crypto is incredibly volatile. As mentioned, crypto is still, in most cases, far from stable. Whereas your dollar today will more or less hold the same value tomorrow, crypto is still a very young and very raw ecosystem that is notoriously unregulated and adamant in many ways about remaining that way as a culture. To be truly second to cash, crypto will need to find a median with the U.S. government and allow for far more oversight as a pathway to growth. Number 2, crypto needs better protections. Though security measures are improving daily across the sector, crypto as an industry is ripe for businesses that ensure those that participate in the ecosystem can remain whole. Insurance companies and organizations similar to the FDIC would be radically progressive starts and sustainable solutions. And number 3, crypto needs a better relationship with the public. It's no secret that crypto has a bad reputation in the minds of many throughout the United States. Though this is changing, education and encouraging examples of success in practical and pragmatic ways involving crypto and personal finance are This was the memo, brought to you by the Fuzzy Cow Podcast. Be sure to follow us at the Fuzzy Cow Podcast on Instagram, X, Telegram, and TikTok at the Fuzzy Cow Podcast. And be sure to check out season 1.